Dynamic interaction analysis of PCC bridge abutment layered soil system subjected to varying earthquake ground motions in Indian scenario. This important article is authored by the following scientists. The present research investigates the linear static and dynamic structural behavior of APCC bridge abutment layered soil system under varying earthquake ground motions. A numerical analysis of the interaction system is carried out using the latest version of a BACS-CAE 0-4, considering it as a plane strain problem with different types of soil in the layered soil strata. 3 significant earthquake: India-Burma, 1988, Chamba, 1995, and Bhuj, 2001, are selected as ground motions to assess the dynamic structural response of the interaction system in the Indian scenario. Both static and dynamic analyses are performed to evaluate the displacement in the PCC abutment and underneath layered soil strata. The model is created considering 2D plane strain condition in part module, with realistic soil properties, property module, and appropriate boundary conditions in a BACS-CAE 0-4 software. The interaction between the abutment and the surrounding soil is modeled with contact-to-contact interaction, and then simulation is performed. The results of analysis are presented for all 3 types of ground motions: low, medium, and high intensities. The comparison of the displacements between static and dynamic analysis highlights the necessity of incorporating soil structure interaction effects in the abutment backfill and abutment underpinning soil system. The India-Burma earthquake exhibited the highest horizontal displacement of 175 mm compared to the Bhuj and Chamba earthquakes, which developed horizontal displacement of 52 mm and 36 mm respectively. The static horizontal displacement of topmost point of the abutment of 9.5 mm remains significantly lower. In contrast, vertical displacement remained relatively consistent across all earthquake events and is found slightly higher than in static conditions, 77 mm, indicating minimal impact on foundation settlement. The key objective of the research work is to understand the displacement, stress variations, and stability of the abutment system under earthquake excitations. These findings emphasize the importance of realistic soil modeling in improving the accuracy of seismic performance assessments for PCC bridge abutments. Introduction. This study looks at how bridge supports, called PCC abutments, behave during earthquakes, especially when built on soil with different layers. These abutments are important because they hold up part of the bridge and must stay stable even when the ground shakes. To better understand their performance, the research uses real earthquake data from the 2001 Bhuj earthquake in India. Advanced computer simulations are done using a BACS software to see how the bridge support and the surrounding soil interact during an earthquake. The study follows 2 steps. First, checking how the structure behaves under normal conditions, and then analyzing its response during an actual earthquake. The goal is to find out how much the abutment moves, what kind of stresses it goes through, and how stable it remains. The results help engineers design safer bridges by showing how important soil layers and realistic earthquake analysis are in building strong structures. Conclusion. This study explores how bridge supports, called abutments, react during earthquakes, especially when built on layered soil. Normally, under still, static conditions, these supports stay stable with only slight movement. But during an earthquake, the ground shaking causes both sideways, lateral, and downward, vertical, shifts. The way the soil behind and beneath the abutment reacts plays a big role. For example, poorly compacted soil can lead to more movement and even cause the ground to behave like liquid, damaging the structure. Real earthquake data from Bhuj, Chamba, and India-Burma showed that each quake affected the abutments differently. The India-Burma quake caused the largest sideways movement, while Bhuj and Chamba led to major vertical shifts. Computer simulations revealed that earthquake forces cause much more stress and movement than normal conditions. These findings stress the need for earthquake-resistant bridge designs, especially in areas with soft or layered soil, to keep infrastructure safe and durable. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.